Hi everyone, this is Linda from Trilotech, and in this video, we're going to show you how to undelegate. Now, if you're currently staking and you want to undelegate, you're going to have to unstake first. For this video, we're going to assume that you've already unstaked, you're just delegating, and now you'd like to undelegate. So undelegating is extremely straightforward, and all you have to do is locate the delegation section of the dashboard. So you can find that here. So what we want to do is click on End, and now we see a confirmation screen. We do want to end this delegation, so I'm going to click on End Delegation right here. Now, it's asking me in my wallet to confirm, so I'm sliding to confirm, and now it should be completing. There we go. Delegation ended. So now we've undelegated our Tez, and as was the case when we delegated, it's always your full amount. It's not like with staking where we can specify the amount. With delegation, it's our total balance. So I'm going to click on continue to go back to the dashboard. And there we go. We see that delegation has now been set to inactive. That's what we want. And now our job is done. We are no longer delegating. If you have a question about any of this, let us know in the comments. Bye!